I present to you King Ukadike of Umomaku. Long live the king.
Long live the king.
Che Umomaku Queen.
Yeah.
Umomaku Mon.
Yeah.
Rien.
Yeah.
Where's Wono? Thank you. My esteemed elders and most trusted advisors. I stand here today humbled by the weight of this crown. In appreciation for your unwavering support. Together, we shall move this kingdom into the era of prosperity and peace. And
Your Highness, allow me to offer a wine for the royal priest.
go ahead, please. Umomaku Queen. Mon. Rien. Where's Wono? Like I said, we are going to marry today. Thank you. Yes.
It's a great day.
Of course it is.
Great day. Thank you.
Of course. Oh no.
My king.
I've been waiting for a day like this in our kingdom. It's a great day.
The prosperity, unity, and peace in the world. No.
Long live my king.
Hello.
Nice one. Well, this is not all. We still have a lot and many. I want you all to enjoy your drinks and then soon go downstairs for the royal banquet. Jab. What's going on? Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God.
Surprise, Your Highness. Do you really think you could escape the consequences of your actions?
You?
Because Prince Okadike, Kama never forgets. You may wear a crown, but your crimes will always find you.
Guts! 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 Help!
The spirit whispered warning today. Something dark lingers in the air. May Udana Abal protect me. May their spirits guide my path.
No! What a bright day. You can see everywhere is bright and even brighter. The birds are singing, I believe you can hear it. And everywhere is just so bright because my best friend, the prince, will be crowned the king of this kingdom. And starting from today's more, you will no longer address me as China Walite Ezebot. You will address me as Ono. You want to go?
The day may be fair, but you have to be aware of the dangers.
Danger?
Yes.
There is no danger that more China Walite is afraid of. In fact, you and your ancestors, coupled with all the ancestors, both the ones you can see and the ones that are invisible, none of you can do anything to stop the coronation of the prince. Sorry. I am not drunk. I'm only exercising my Wolverine movement.
I can see it.
You understand?
It's not early to get drunk. You can drink more to your merry. You can come to my house. I have a gallon of fresh palm wine waiting for you.
In fact, come, let me tell you something. You see today, the kind of you know, since 2 weeks now I've not drunk. No, I've not drank. No, I've not drinking. In fact, since 2 weeks now, come on. By the time I am done, Eben Naga, I will come and check your own palm wine if it is good. Get Eben Sian. So, as like I was saying, if you are done, then you put me on a bem, Ganja more argument because I already have plenty.
Something important to tell you.
What is it? Wait, what are you holding, Prince? What is it?
I'm pregnant. We are going to have a baby.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Are you serious?
What do we do? What about your father? Is he in the house?
Yes, my father is.
What is this nonsense? Why are you bothering my son? Have I not told you not to come to this house again?
I just wanted to tell us or something.
You have no place here, girl. Uzom, my son, will not be marrying someone with your kind of family background.
Nah, stop what happened now. What's that one now? You're speaking as if you don't know. You don't know that Ngozi here is my girl. Yeah? If you want to talk to Ngozi, talk to her with some respect. Which one is your family background?
Listen, son. I am the owner of this kingdom. And you want to disrespect me by bringing this thing into my family? Now, young girl, get out.
You didn't get out.
Now! You are not welcome here. Who saw my son will never marry?
But now, Papa, you can't chase away just like that now. Yeah? Papa, stop this thing, oh. Stop this thing, oh. Papa, I'm a grown man. I am a grown man. I know my left and my right. Yeah? I know what is good and bad. I know what I want and what I don't. I can take responsibility as a man now. Yeah? Stop interfering in anything that concerns me. Allow me to do my things my way. Yeah?
Responsibility? You dare talk of responsibility when you disgrace the family name by getting involved with a common and low life? I will not discuss this topic again.
Come on, Papi, go. Ijego una che sabumeba and was come on. Ijego, where you What am I even going to inherit when you die? Calling someone else.
Wake up, dear brother. Today is your coronation day. Wake up.
Hi. Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
Is it time already?
Oh yes, the sun has risen and the kingdom awaits their new ruler. I wish our parents were here to witness this day. They would have been so proud of what we've accomplished together.
Hey. They may not be here with us in person, but I believe they are with us in spirit. And they are watching our every step. Their legacies live on, and we will forever honor their memories.
Now let's go prepare. The kingdom awaits their new ruler. Get up, let's go.
Go ahead, go ahead. I'll do me, you go do you.
Come on. Ma, let me help you. Stop stressing yourself.
Mom, you've done enough tasks in the house already. Let me help you with this one. Huh? I don't want to bother you. See, you know what? Just go and cook. Let me continue with this one.
Mama, you're not bothering me. Besides, it's my privilege to help you. Okay, stop doing all these things. Stop stressing yourself. Besides, there's something important I want to tell you. Okay, Mama, you know, I've been researching and I found this hospital that specializes on eye surgeries. And I want you to go there so they can treat you. Mama.
Thank you. We have forgotten something. Money for the surgery. Even if we sell everything we have, including this house, we cannot raise the money. Your sister is there at the palace, working day and night, just for the money of this surgery. But we cannot even feed from the money.
Mama, don't worry. Money will come. What if a friend of mine decides to help financially? Mama, miracles happen, no? Just have faith. Let's just keep praying. Don't worry, we'll go for your eye surgery. I believe, I have faith.
Marachi Mwam, thank you for not losing hope on me. Thank you so much. You're my miracle child.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama,
don't worry. We'll get through this together, okay? Go for your eye surgery and you'll see again. Okay, let me take you inside now. Then I'll come out. Stop stressing yourself. Stop sweeping. Okay? If you need anything, just call me.
call them? Who's on my brother?
Ago.
Who's the one? Hey, my brother.
Just look at you. Oh, God, I'm on the key, you know.
I beg you, take me, Daddy.
That designer spec. Where will I ever make money?
Who's up? What is wrong with you now? Hey, my brother.
Guy, the fresh, man.
Man, it's good to see you again, oh, bro.
Get out of here. You're too sweet. You're too sweet.
How far now? What's happening now, my bro?
Everything good though. Everywhere good though. So how far now?
You see him now. We're here now.
You see him now. Yeah? If I just tell you, say princess, one call you. Yes. You're a criminal.
No, now, my brother. Eh?
Yeah?
You know, I came to experience this, your legendary delicate.
It's a lie. It's a lie, brother. I got that for you. I'm a guy man, no.
No, now, my brother. Eh? Me, I came to experience this, your legendary hospitality.
It's a lie. Black and white lie. What are you saying? Is it not because I told you yesterday that the princess will be coming today? That's why you're here.
Brother, no louder now. Eh? But that's why you're my friend now, at least. Eh? I will use that opportunity now. Come and see you always now. Or you don't want me around?
You're a thief. You're a thief. You're here to steal dresses on the princess.
My brother.
I think I don't know.
What to do now, my guy?
What to do? As you fresh like this. One day, like 20 now.
No, I ain't not together. We there together, my brother.
You know my princess. You know the princess and my father like this.
I know.
20
I know.
My pass you say the princess now.
Don't loud it. Let's sit down. We'll talk about it.
How is everything going now?
Everywhere is good. Now we did.
I had the preparation or no now.
I am super duper excited that our dear elder brother will soon be the crowned king of Umuaka Kingdom. I mean, it's a dream come true. I can't believe it.
Indeed, Adizi, it's a dream come true. I can already imagine the grandeur of the coronation ceremony. Our brother is going to make a very wise and just king, just as he has always dreamed.
I told you so. Oh, here comes the future king of Umuaka Kingdom. Is everything okay? You look nervous.
I was thinking of a dream I had some time ago about a coronation. It was surreal. I think it's going to happen now.
Oh.
Ukadiki, don't tell me you still believe in those dreams. They are mere dreams.
I know. But it just popped up in my head right now.
And remember, those dreams you usually have when your father always told you not to bother about them. I mean, you shouldn't be. Like my sister just said, they're mere dreams. Okay? Now put a smile on that face, brother.
Talking about dreams, who do you think will get married first? You or Adizi?
Funny enough, I was going to ask the same question. You know, the people of Umuaka cannot wait to meet their future queen. So who do you think will get married first?
About that, I have a surprise for you two right after the coronation.
Okay. We can't wait, right?
Mama, I'm coming.
Marachi,
Mama,
where are you going to?
Mama, I'm going to the palace. I want to collect money for the kitchen.
Money for what?
Money for your drugs. Your drugs are almost finished. I need to get new.
Marachi, are you going to the palace to collect the money for the coronation? Or you think I don't know that this is the coronation?
Mama, I'm going to the palace to collect money from the kitchen. I've called her already. She's expecting me. Yes, Mama.
Okay. Go and come back on time. Remember, we're cooking soup today. I get toffee. I don't want to go hungry. I go when I'm not.
Mama, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Take care of this.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
We're going to the palace for money or for the coronation. And I have an play.
You heard that the prince promised to give the youth of this community
30 million after his coronation.
My sister, I've heard though. I just pray and wish that one of my brothers will be chosen. Eh? The prince is just a kind person. I have never heard or seen any prince from any community do such thing.
He should win the best crown prince in the whole 7 kingdoms, and after that, he promised to find a maid, and I pray he chooses me.
Did I hear you right? Choose you. When a beautiful maiden like me is still in this palace.
And who is talking about beauty? The prince did not need any beautiful maiden. He needs a maiden that can dance. Just watch him too.
My friend, just stop disgracing yourself. Can you imagine?
You see how useless you all are? Standing here constituting nuisance when you should be working. Today of all! Nonsense. You better be fast before I am back. Get back to duty. Excuse me.
Why does she act like she's one of the princesses of this kingdom?
I mean, she's acting like one of the royal household.
And she's working here with us as a maiden.
Yeah. Who are you to tell me when to visit my friend and when not to visit my friend? Huh? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Engulu, Kai? Do you know who I am? No, look at me, fine boy. Fine boy. Best friend to the prince. Do you know who I am? It's Okam.
See, Chipoliteze. What did they call you? Chipoliteze. Today we are having a very big, this palace is having a very big occasion today. So we don't need somebody like you here today. We don't need somebody like you. Please, come on for you.
Shut up. You don't need somebody like me. Look at me. Have you seen me? Big boy, best friend to the king of in fact, the soon to be king of this kingdom. You are telling me you don't need my type of person in this place. In fact, you know what? Go inside and tell the prince that I said Muabuchi Oniteze said that I am here. My phone is not here. I come up where? Do you understand? And if you are going, go with your resignation letter. Because I will make sure that these toothpick legs of yours will not walk into this place again. Go and go.
See, let me tell you. I don't want to use force on you. No, I don't want to use force on you. See, make I tell you, eh? See, very soon now, so many kings from different villages will be coming here. Did you hear me? So leave now.
So many kings will be coming and you do not want me, the best friend to the king, to be present and witness his coronation. In Olumwe?
There's no power in here.
Are you drunk? You are drunk! You are drunk, my son! Shut up! Shut up! In Olumwe? Look. I don't want to be hard on you. I don't want to be hard on you. I must see the prince. Hold on. Prince! You don't need somebody like me. How can you not need somebody like me in the coronation of my friend? Can you say about what? I must enter here.
You know what you thought?
My prince. Dear, come and open this. Open this place. I must come. This guy has closed his. My prince! My prince, I am here! Chiponiteza is here! Tell that riffraff to come and open this gate.
What do you want to say today? It's not yet time for celebration.
No, I'm not here for the celebration. I want to see my sister.
You want to see your sister? You know it's not possible, but I cannot let you in.
Please now. Please, I want to collect money for my mother's medicine. I will leave.
You sure? You sure?
Yes.
But don't let Princess Adeze to see
She
you.
will not see me, please.
I saw it! I saw it! I saw it! I must go inside! I must go inside! I saw it! Bia! Kedi, remind me that your stupid name! You let a small girl in and anytime I come, you push me as if you are pushing away poverty. Huh? You do not know the law. You do not know the law of this palace. Best friend to soon to become king of this land will not go inside. Man, as small girls will go inside. Anytime you see me push me as if you are pushing away poverty. Me pelu in this place, I must go inside. I must go inside.
I will blow your hand. Come on.
You want to blow my eyes? You know what? For you to have pushed me away from this place, this very hand, immediately my friend, the prince, becomes the king of this land. My first request, go to this firewood and give it to me. You throw my cap on the floor. Yes. You throw my cap on, I will kill you now. Yeah. Open this. If for this boy, open this place now. You are letting small girls inside, and anytime I come, you push me away. Come and open here. Come on. My prince. Come and put this guy one day. I will kill him. In fact, I am not going anywhere. I will make sure I block this place like Obachi. I have Bachie here. Nobody will go inside if I did not go. I Bachie me. Obachi. Bachie the place.
A penny for your thought, Adeze.
You know, this will be your last meal as a prince of this kingdom.
Adeze, you're even happier than the celebrants.
Of course I am. Do you know how long I have waited for my brother to take back the seat from the Unknown? That man practically acts like he's the king, forgetting that he is going to hand it over someday.
Come on. He was just doing his job. And he's very good at it.
Oh, please,
I
don't like it. I don't like how proud he is. I mean, raising his... Anyways, I would want you to do something when you become the king. You know, get new hands. Like a new, a new cabinet. Just, change everything.
Adeze, you know remains the know until his death.
Is that some kind of law?
Come on. These are discussions for men and not women.
There he goes again.
I need to allow me finish my meal so I can join the cabinet members. It's going to be a long day for me today. Huh?
Sorry.
Amarachi, you should have come yesterday. The princess will be angry with me if she sees you. She warned us about today.
Sister, I was busy yesterday. Besides, she knows I'm your sister, so don't be scared. Nothing will happen.
Mama, you should leave now. I am on duty. Please leave.
Okay, fine, I'll leave. Sister, before I go, can I look around the company? The palace is so beautiful.
Just go. Okay.
Sister now. Sister now.
How did you get in here?
I sneaked in and I'm here. You guys really need tight security.
You know, I was really hoping to see you.
Okay.
And I'm glad.
So, how's the preparation going?
As it's supposed to.
Okay.
My sisters are really helping me out, especially Daisy.
Wow. She really has your interest at heart.
Oh, yes.
So, I need to leave now before they see me here.
You know, my sisters will be very surprised when I pronounce you my queen immediately after my coronation.
And you think they will accept that? Me, a commoner, the queen of this kingdom. Possible. Stop all this thing.
In no time, I will be king. And whatever I say will be law. You have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. By the power vested on me, as you know of this kingdom, I hereby crown you.
My priest! My priest! My priest! My priest!
What is the meaning of this?
What's going on here? What is going on here? Can someone say something?
What is the meaning of this?
What are you still doing here?
I was waiting for you.
Waiting for me? For what? Did I not tell you to leave before the princess sees you?
You know, the other time you left, I didn't hear what you said. So, I'm about going. I'm going.
Amarachi, were you just coming from the building? What are you up to? I know where you are coming from, so don't give me that innocent thing. You will be my doom one day.
Star.
From the look of this, it's like I was taking poison.
What? Somebody there poisoned my brother in this palace?
Ah! Hello, man. Cheer wherever you feel. Cheer.
Talk to me. Look at me.
Ezemo, do something.
What's that sound for?
Go! I'm going now.
Ezemo, please, what's happening to my brother?
The prince has been poisoned. With Otaba. A very bad illness.
I've never heard of such sickness before.
Wise one. How long does it take before it wears off?
Well, it's only the culprit that can neutralize this. What's it going to do?
Ezemo, I need you to tell me who did this to my brother. Who poisoned the future king of this kingdom?
The culprit is still in this palace. Assemble all souls in this palace.
Osandu! 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 Come here.
listen to me and listen good. On no account should anyone leave or enter this palace. Not even the smallest ant should leave this palace. Have I made myself clear?
Yes. But my princess, what about the neighboring kings that are on their way coming?
Are you deaf or feigning to be deaf? I said no one. And I mean no one should leave or enter this palace. Except you want to lose you.
Okay, my princess.
Why does your father hate me so much? Does he have to speak to me in that manner?
Look, you have to understand my father. Alright? My father is not actually a bad person. Look, I'll look for a way to convince my father to let me marry you, okay?
I don't even understand. Must your father have a say on who you should marry?
What are you saying? He's my father. I'll definitely need my father's blessings in my marriage. Or are you in any way trying to tell me to go against my father's will? Huh?
Zonaya, you know our tradition. You need to come and see my parents and do the needful before they find out I'm pregnant.
I was going to tell you to get rid of it. Yes, that will give me enough room to convince my father. Just get rid of the baby.
Wait, Uzonaya, are you insinuating I have an abortion? It's your child we're talking about here.
How am I even sure it's my child? Just get rid of it.
How dare you? How dare you, Uzonaya? Because the day I met you.
Was I wrong? I shouldn't have said that to her.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who is every prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanande John, and we're gonna do. Dear Quincy, and we're gonna do. The evil people are taking control, and we're gonna do. And then it's within. It's the phone now. And we're gonna do. It's the phone. And then it's within. And there's something here. Oh. And we're gonna do. Our kingdom is in shambles. Who is behind this? Who is behind this? Nyamarakwa, na son myriad de sufi kwaka. Alusia bona wata no nisia. On their fiera ya robu emanu. Nobody can curse whom God has blessed. Sarah can enjoy.
We are leaving this palace with some maidens. The Ezemo said if the priest doesn't wake up, that everybody in this palace will go down with him.
Yeah, you're right. But how do you intend to do that? The princess asked, instructed everybody not to leave the palace.
We'll go through the back door.
The back door, you're right, but are you with the kids? How about Okamaka?
Are you going with us or not? And why are you acting about the Obasabi girl?
Yeah.
What are you girls doing here? Get lost now! I will have my eyes on you, girl.
Wise one. Why is the ghost still silent? Why is my brother not waking up?
Quiet! Don't interrupt the spirits. Allow the spirits to speak.
Please do something. I don't want anything to happen to my brother. Please talk to the ghost.
Then I need to be left alone. I need.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who will save the prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble.
I guess they are preparing for the ceremony.
I guess that's the reason you came to see me again.
How about now? Why are you talking like that now? Eh? You know my guy. Eh? And moreover, why is your face like this? Eh? What is the problem?
No, Dogo, I'm going through a lot.
What is it now? Eh?
My woman is pregnant.
Your woman is pregnant? That's a good news now. That's cause for celebration now. Eh? Is that why you're having this long face?
I don't know. I wanted to tell her to abort the child.
Eh?
Yes, now.
Abort what? Eh? Are you okay?
No, Dogo, I'm okay. I'm okay. I don't know what to do at this point. Yeah? My father does not want to see her. My father does not like her. My father does not want to accept her because of her family background. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. You know my father now. Yeah?
I think you have a point here. Eh? Your father is not someone one can easily go against. And moreover, Seb, it will not be nice for your child to grow up in another man's house. Eh? When you are still alive.
That's the point. Yeah? Tell me, what do I do now? How do I go about this situation? Yeah? Oh,
Uzo, my brother, you need to calm down, okay? We will find a lasting solution to this issue, okay? Biko, calm down, my brother.
Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono do. Dear when nime, emwere gono do. The evil people are taking control.
Please, it's taking too long. What if something happens to our brother? What will we do?
Nothing will happen to him. He's the king of this land.
If father was here, he would have done something.
Uloma, you need to calm down. Ezemo is there. I'm sure he can handle everything.
Ezemo has been there for long and nothing has changed. Nothing.
Then we should talk to Onowu.
Onowu is the acting king. If anything happens to our brother, who do you think will benefit?
Oh yeah, that's true. I didn't think about that. We can't trust him. We can't trust any other person. God, I'm so confused.
No, I cannot wait again. How can I be here and everybody in the palace are arrested? I'm here doing nothing. Open this place. I need to come inside and I'll be arrested too. Open here. I need to be inside and arrested too. He's my best friend. Come and open this place. Huh? Well, what is wrong with you, this boy? Morgan, let me go inside. How can I be here and everybody has been arrested here, including my friend, and I'm not doing anything? Wait, let me go inside.
If you want to be arrested, huh? Listen, if you want to be arrested, go to the police station and arrest yourself. Stop making noise here. The prince was poisoned. So they are looking for who is behind it.
It's a lie. Jello, I know what you want to do. In fact, if you want to drink all the beer that the prince wants to give to me, tell me. I will share some bottles with you. You drink small and I will drink the rest. Don't.
I said the prince was poisoned. Are you serious? Stop making noise here. You still want to go inside now? Do you still want to go inside?
You know what? I will be, in fact, go and tell the princess I will be here. Let me get the culprit. Tell the princess I don't want to come inside again. I will be here and mount this place. Nobody should open this gate. I will stay here and get the culprit. I am here. Tell the princess. In fact, he may pay back what you now. My prince, how can you poison the prince? The culprit will not pass through this place. He may pay back what he go now.
This is embarrassing. You cannot hold the cabinet of this kingdom captive. It's an insult to our personality.
Princess Adeze, please, tell your guard to open the door for us. We know nothing about what happened to the prince.
When I said nobody steps out of this palace. What? No one goes out and no one comes in.
It's an insult and against human rights to hold us captive for no reason.
Can you listen to the nonsense you just said? How dare you talk about human rights? The future king of this kingdom is almost at the point of death and you sit there to talk about human rights. Are you being serious right now? Unless you have something to do with his illness.
Adeze.
Oh no.
Adeze.
Oh no. Nobody steps out of this compound until we uncover the truth.
Who is behind this?
She's not picking my calls. She's not picking my calls. You call Marachi. Marachi, where are you? Why are you still there? You have to come home. I need my drugs. I need those medicines. I want to take them. Biko natabamwam. Tell your sister I said she should pick her calls. I have a feeling that something bad is about to happen or it has happened.
Rich, you're still here?
Yes. I'm about going now. Please open the gate.
No, you can't go now. The princess has ordered that nobody should leave this palace.
My mother needs to take her drugs. Please, just let me go, please now.
I can't take such risks. I cannot take such risks.
Please, I'm begging you. You know my mother is very sick. She can't stay in that house alone. I just came to collect money from my sister. Please, she needs to take her drugs. Please now.
Does the princess know that you're here?
No, I didn't let anyone see.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Nobody saw me.
Are you sure?
Yes, nobody saw me.
Osondo, what are you doing? Osondo, is it because she's a woman? Oh, because she's a woman, you want to let her go? Eh? You are flaunting the orders of the royal palace. I will not shut up.
What's going on there? Didn't my sister warn you not to let anybody out of this palace?
My princess, that was exactly what I was telling this Osandro, that the instructions is nobody leaves and nobody comes in.
It seems you are becoming too comfortable in this palace. Don't worry, okay? Just don't worry.
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? I can sense your presence. Who is this? Who is this? Marachi. Marachi. Hey. Who is here? All of them is speaking their cause.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who will save the prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanande ajomadu enwere gonodo. The evil people are taking control. Enemies within. Enemies within. Our kingdom is in shambles.
Young lady, do you have anything to say?
Nothing. Nothing.
Then why did you poison the prince?
Speak up, woman, before the gods strike you down.
Please don't kill me, please. I needed money for my mother's eye surgery, please. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Oh, keep the hell shut! You poisoned the future king of this kingdom, and you have the guts to ask for mercy?
Wait. First of all, can you save the prince from dying now?
No,
Can you?
I can't.
Why?
Except the person that sent me.
Speak now. Speak before I strangle you to death. Speak before
No, no, please. Please, Amara, please help! Please help now! Amara,
So what does this mean? Does it mean my brother will die as well?
I don't want anything to happen to you. Not while I'm still alive. You said you saw this in your dream some time ago. You saw this coming. And you said the killer turned out to be a woman. And the woman really poisoned you. I should have believed you. I should have believed you. Adeze warned you about Marachi. Adeze warned you several times, but you wouldn't listen. Because you're in love with her. Now see. How do we get to know who paid Amarachi to poison you? How? I wish the Ezemo can fish out who did this to you. That person will never go unpunished. Wish.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who is every prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono do. Ndiye kwensi nime, emwere gono do. The evil people are taking control. Enemies within, emwere gono do. Enemies within, emwere gono do. Our kingdom is in shambles. Who is behind this? Who is behind this? Nyamarakwa, that's on Miriam, there's a free waka. Alusia Bona, what a non is here. On the affair, nobody can curse whom God has blessed. Sarah can
Osundu. How are you now? Fine, sir. You are shining this afternoon, no? I am with God, though. Hey. Osundu, do you mind letting me in? I want to see the princess. I'm sure they are done with the ceremony.
That one not possible. The princess does not want to see anyone for now.
But Osundu, is there any problem?
A very big one. In fact, there is a giant problem in the palace. The prince, my best friend, was poisoned and everybody has been arrested and taken to the police station.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
If I am not serious, why do you think I will be here under the sun? And I'm Anyang.
You mean everybody has been arrested, including the Onowu?
Onowu was the first, in fact, Onowu was the first person they dragged out of the palace. Drag it to the station. If Onowu, in fact, if other people are behind the counter, Onowu is inside the cell.
This is very serious. So.
You know what? You are a very good man, very gentle and Let me open the gate. In fact, let's break the gate. Let's push the car. Let me push the motor for you. Don't worry. Let me push it. You don't want to go inside? No, I don't want to go inside. Come and see the princess. Don't worry, I will come back. Also, make sure you don't kill yourself while you are running away from the police. Also, I will be here. Nobody will come inside and nobody will leave. How about you, me?
Uzo! My brother, there is a very big problem. I know now. I know. I've been calling her. She's not taking my calls.
What are you talking about? That is not the main problem here.
So what's the problem?
Your father has been arrested.
It's a lie. I don't understand.
Why will I joke?
Nobody can arrest my father. Nobody has the right to arrest my father. My father is the owner of this great kingdom. The first in command before they will now crown that a slave prince, the king. He's the first in command.
Uzo, forget all this one you are saying. As I speak to you right now, your father is being detained at the palace. He is accused of poisoning the prince.
It's a lie now. What are you saying?
My brother, I'm not lying, no.
My father.
There is a shadow lurking around this palace.
Which shadow are you talking about, Huh? Who is the person behind all this?
The palace needs to be cleansed before we can see the face behind this evil act against the crown prince.
Well, are you saying our palace is haunted or clouded? Your words are confusing.
The language of the spirit is deeper than the language of the living.
She hasn't seen anything yet. Now who is crying? Who is begging? And who is on her knees?
That's the thing that annoys me the most. She thinks that she's one of the real people. But doesn't she's anticipated like us?
No, she thinks that she's one of the late king's children. To even think that her sister Marachi has the mind to poison the prince.
Those people pretending to be nice, sweet and whatever. They are the most dangerous people ever.
Hey, this is not good. This is very, very bad. Let us not judge, so we will not be judged. It could have been me or you, like any of us.
My sister, she has nothing to say, please.
Are you saying that Marachi is dead? But why would she want to kill the prince? Why?
See, let me tell you. Amarachi was arrested, but she refused to leave when I asked her to leave. So you should be thanking me.
Huh? So you mean that if I had been inside, they would have arrested me and maybe accused me of killing the prince?
Of course, yes. I want her, but she insisted. Huh? Now look at her fate.
Yeah. Osando, your statement is no longer going like this. Your statement is doing like this. Are you by any means suggesting that Marachi was accused and she was not guilty? Are you saying that they said she did it while she did not? Huh?
Look, Chibani Teresa, I don't know what you're talking about. All I'm saying is that Marachi that I know can never do anything like that.
Yes. That is why you always allow her to go inside and you ask me. Now you are saying that the native doctor, in fact, our chief priest is a liar. That is, if my prince has come, he said that the prince The chief priest killed the prince. Isn't that what you said?
I'll never say something.
No, you said that the chief priest.
Stop shouting.
You said the chief priest killed the prince. You said it was not Marachi that it was the chief priest. I want to tell you, everybody come and hear. This Osondo said the chief priest killed the come back. Hear what I'm saying now. Everybody listen to me. Osondo said the chief priest killed the prince. Come and say it. In fact, I will go. Where will I stand? Who will I tell? Everybody should know. They should know that it is what you said. That it was not Marachi and it was the chief priest. I will be here. I will tell it. Bia, Naibia.
Who is here? Open this gate! You don't want to open the gate? I'll break down this gate. Open this gate! Open the gate! I'll pull down this gate! Open this gate!
Young man, what is wrong?
Open this gate!
What is it?
Please let my father go! Release my father now! Princess!
Okay, I just want you to know that your father is being held concerning the poisoning of my brother Ukadike. And until we find out the truth, your father cannot leave the palace.
I don't understand, Princess. You and I know that my father does not have anything to do with whatever is going on in the palace. Let my father go. You have no right to keep my father there.
You don't seem to understand what is going on. Uzo or whatever you are called. Nobody is leaving or entering this palace until we find out how and why my brother was poisoned.
Princess, you don't know what you're doing. My father is your Nogu of this kingdom. Please, let him go. You have no right to keep my father in the palace. Please.
I will implore you to go home. Your father is not leaving this place until justice is served.
I don't understand. You will implore who to go home.
Make sure you do this properly. And no one should come.
Open this gate! Open this gate! You're welcome. Open this gate. I'll break down this gate.
I'm sorry, Mr. Oza, I cannot.
Allah, I'm sorry for walking here. Open this gate also. What can Pepe get out? You don't know me, Abi. Pepe get out.
I'm sorry, Mr. Uzo. You can go home. The princess order is clear.
Allah, I'm sorry for walking here. Open this gate also. What can Pepe get out?
Prince. You don't need to know who I am. And don't forget, I have the power to make your suffering end. And I also have the power to make it worse. Hold on. Open your mouth. Open it. Listen. I was never here. Remember, don't forget that.
Adizi, please. Nkechi has suffered enough with the loss of her sister. Let's put humanity into consideration while in the pursuit for justice. Please, Adizi.
Can you listen to yourself, woman? Look, can you just hear yourself talk? I won't take chances. My brother's life is right there hanging, and you're asking me to calm down and... What are you saying? If Nkechi is responsible for the poisoning of Prince Ukadike, I will extract that information by any means necessary.
But she has proved her innocence from the beginning. Yeah, right. We don't even have any tangible evidence to prove otherwise. We don't.
Ulom, I understand you. I understand your points. I know. I get what you're trying to say. But when it comes to my brother's life, I will do anything. Even if it means sacrificing this whole kingdom, I will do it.
I understand your determination. I understand you perfectly. But please remember you are the Daisy of this kingdom. Whatever you do, if you try to torture her, it will increase the animosity of the people. Please.
I'm not promising you anything. But I need you to remember that my duty as a sister comes first, no matter the cost. And not one more word. Ensure that no one leaves or enters this palace without proper authorization. We can't afford any breach in security at this moment, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey, hold it right there! Who are you? Now I want you to go out there. Go to Ekumma and the town crier and tell them the situation in the palace. I don't want this wrong information going around the kingdom. Okay?
But my princess, something doesn't seem right about him.
You mean you don't know him?
Yes, sir.
And you go after him! Quickly!
Yes. I can't find him.
What do you mean you can't find him? He just left here.
I really saw this. He might use this to disguise.
How did he get this?
I don't know. Maybe he might have collected it from one of our guards.
Summon the guards. Every one of them.
Alright, my
Immediately.
princess. Alright, my princess.
Now, Kedu,
Young man, who are you and what do you want from me? What exactly do you want from me?
if I were to be you, I would have started with greeting. You should have said, greetings. At least you greet me. But first, since you want to know me, you want introduction. My name is China Bonitez of this kingdom. Do you understand? Do you know what that means? You will not know. Even as a king in this village or anywhere, you can only reign only if the gods wake you up. Yes.
I ask again, how may I help you?
I told you my name, you did not greet me. So you have to help me. China Bonitez one. Then, I will answer you.
Ezoku. I don't have time for all this. I'm in a haste.
Come, Bia, come. Bia, Naya, I want to tell you what. You don't even know who you just walked out on. The best friend to the prince of this kingdom. You are privileged to have had a word with me. Ikuo Gunsagia is an honor. Huh? I don't even know what is wrong with. I don't know what is wrong with people these days. They will see somebody ordinary to greet. They will not. One day you will come back.
Yes, you said you wanted to see me.
Adeze, have you lost your senses? Have you lost it? How could you agree to marry Uzo, knowing full well the animosity between our families?
Oh, well, I decided to marry him for the good of this kingdom. Uzo and I can bring peace and unity to our kingdom. Why are you shouting?
I will never, read my lips, never support this union. Marrying him will give Ono full access to this palace.
Oh, please. I made a decision to marry that young man. I have seen his father already and I've made my intentions known to him. There is absolutely nothing you will do about it.
I am still the prince of this kingdom. Don't start this war.
Did I hear you say war? An impotent man talks about war? Listen, I will marry Uzo whether you like it or not, and there is absolutely nothing I see again you will do about it.
That is why would you say anything like that?
I would say anything I want to say. You are an impotent man. You do not have the right.